Deep in the heart of the Amazon rainforest, a world of mystery and wonder awaits. The dense canopy overhead provides cover for a vast array of creatures, from the tiniest insects to the largest predators. But what secrets lie hidden within its verdant landscape? What mysteries lurk in the shadows, waiting to be discovered? From rare and exotic plants to deadly predators and ancient ruins, the Amazon rainforest is a treasure trove of fascinating and often terrifying wonders. Join us as we journey into the heart of this jungle paradise and uncover the incredible things that lie hidden within. Ancient settlements. There is growing evidence that the Amazon rainforest was not always an untouched wilderness. In fact, there are many signs that the Amazon was home to thriving human settlements for thousands of years before the arrival of Europeans. Archaeologists have found evidence of ancient settlements such as roads, bridges, canals, and large earthworks scattered throughout the Amazon basin. Some of these settlements are believed to date back to as early as 5000 BCE. These ancient people developed sophisticated farming methods that allowed them to cultivate the soil and grow crops in a region that's notoriously difficult for agriculture. One of the most famous examples of an ancient Amazon settlement is the city of Cuicugu, which was discovered in 2010 in the southern part of the Amazon basin. Cuicugu was a large city that covered an area of around 20 square kilometers and was home to an estimated 50,000 people at its peak around 1,000 years ago. The city was connected by a network of roads and canals, and its inhabitants practiced agriculture, fishing, and hunting. Another notable example is the site of Marajo, located on the island at the mouth of the Amazon River. Marajo was home to a complex society that existed between 400 BCE and 1400 CE. The people of Marajo built large mounds known as tesos, which were used for a variety of purposes, including housing, religious ceremonies, and burials. They also created a complex system of canals and raised fields for farming. The Boiling River. The Boiling River, also known as Shanai Timpishka in the indigenous language of the area, is a unique natural phenomenon located in the Amazon rainforest of Peru. It's a river that runs hot, with water temperatures reaching up to 100 degrees Celsius in some areas, hot enough to boil an egg. The Boiling River is roughly 6.4 kilometers long and flows through a geothermal area where underground volcanic activity heats the water. The river's hot water is rich in minerals, which makes it a popular destination for locals who believe that the water has healing properties. Scientists have also taken an interest in the Boiling River, as it's one of the few known examples of a river that runs hot for such a long distance. Researchers have identified several species of thermophilic bacteria and archaea that thrive in the extreme temperatures of the river, including some that are found nowhere else in the world. The Boiling River is also home to unique aquatic life, including a species of fish called the Boiling River trout, which is actually a type of killifish that is adapted to survive in the hot water. Other species of fish, insects, and reptiles can be found in the cooler tributaries that flow into the Boiling River. Despite its unique and fascinating qualities, the Boiling River is also a potentially dangerous place. The water is scalding hot, and there have been reports of people and animals being burned or killed after falling into the river. As a result, the area is generally considered to be off-limits to visitors, although some guided tours offer limited access to certain areas. The world's largest spider, the giant bird eater. The giant bird eater, also known as the Goliath bird eater, is a species of tarantula that is found in the Amazon rainforest and surrounding areas of South America. It is one of the largest species of spider in the world, with a body length up to 11 centimeters and a leg span of up to 30 centimeters. Despite its name, the giant bird eater does not actually prey on birds. Its diet consists primarily of insects, although it has been known to eat small rodents, lizards, and even other spiders. The giant bird eater is a nocturnal hunter and uses its large size and powerful jaws to subdue its prey. Although the giant bird eater has a fearsome reputation, it is generally not considered to be a threat to humans. Its venom is not particularly potent, and its bites are relatively rare. However, its large size and hairy appearance can be intimidating to some people. The giant bird eater is also known for its impressive defense mechanisms. When threatened, it can release a cloud of hairs from its abdomen, which can cause irritation and itching in humans and other animals. It can also make a hissing noise by rubbing its legs together, which is thought to deter predators. Despite its imposing size and appearance, the giant bird eater is actually a relatively docile and solitary creature. It spends much of its time hidden in burrows or under logs and rocks, and only ventures out at night to hunt. In recent years, the giant bird hunter has become a popular exotic pet, although it requires specialized care and is not recommended for inexperienced keepers. Victoria amazonica, the amazing water lily. Victoria amazonica, also known as the Amazon water lily, is a large aquatic plant that is native to the Amazon River basin in South America. It's known for its enormous leaves, which can measure up to 3 meters in diameter and are strong enough to support the weight of a small child. The leaves of the Victoria amazonica are circular in shape and have an upturned rim that allows them to hold a small amount of water. This creates a miniature ecosystem within the leaf, providing a habitat for a variety of aquatic animals, including fish and frogs. The leaves are also able to withstand the weight of heavy rainfall. The Victoria amazonica produces large, fragrant flowers that are white in color and can measure up to 40 centimeters in diameter. The flowers open at night and are pollinated by beetles and moths. After pollination, the flowers produce a large spiny fruit that contains seeds. The Victoria amazonica is an important cultural symbol of the Amazon region and has been used by indigenous peoples for a variety of purposes. The leaves are used as plates and serving dishes, and the stalks are used for building houses and making baskets. The seeds and fruits are also edible and have been also used as a food source. Due to its large size and striking appearance, the Victoria amazonica has also become a popular ornamental plant in botanical gardens and parks around the world. However, it's important to note that the plant requires a warm and humid environment to thrive and can be difficult to grow outside of its native range. Potu, crazy bird with amazing camouflage skills. The potu is a nocturnal bird that is found in the Amazon rainforest and other parts of Central and South America. It's known for its odd-looking appearance and unusual habits, and is often considered to be one of the most mysterious and enigmatic birds in the world. The potu is a medium-sized bird with a large head, big eyes, and a small, wide beak. It's typically gray or brown in color and has intricate patterns on its feathers that help it blend in with the bark of trees. The potu is also known for its distinctive call, which is a low, mournful sound that is often heard at night. The potu is primarily active at night and spends much of the day roosting on tree branches, where it's well camouflaged and difficult to spot. It feeds on insects, which it catches in mid-air using its wide beak. The potu is also known to consume small birds and mammals on occasion. The potu is a solitary bird and typically seen only in pairs during the breeding season. It nests on tree branches and lays a single egg, which is incubated by both parents. The chick hatches after about a month and is cared for by the parents until it's ready to leave the nest. The potu is considered to be a symbol of mystery and wisdom in some cultures, and is often associated with the supernatural. It has been featured in the mythology and folklore of many indigenous peoples in the Amazon region. Despite its cultural significance, the potu is a relatively unknown and rarely seen bird, making it a special and intriguing sight for birdwatchers and nature enthusiasts alike. The walking trees. The walking trees of the Amazon rainforest are a group of tree species that are capable of moving slowly across the forest floor. They're known by several different names, including drunken trees, creepers, and strangler figs, depending on the specific species. The walking trees typically start out as epiphytes, or plants that grow on other plants, such as tree trunks. They send roots down to the forest floor, which eventually become thick and woody, forming a new trunk. Over time, the original trunk and branches of the host tree decay and disappear, leaving the walking tree as a freestanding tree with a network of roots and a distinctive twisted shape. The movement of the walking trees is very slow and occurs over a period of years or decades. It's thought to be a survival mechanism that allows the tree to access more sunlight, water, and nutrients as the forest changes over time. The movement may also help the tree avoid competition with other trees and avoid damage from falling branches or trees. Walking trees are found throughout the Amazon rainforest and are an important part of the ecosystem. They provide a habitat for a variety of animals, including birds, monkeys, and insects, and help to stabilize the forest floor by preventing erosion. While the walking trees are a fascinating and unique feature of the Amazon rainforest, they're also under threat from deforestation and habitat destruction. Protecting these trees and their ecosystem is essential for preserving the biodiversity of the Amazon and ensuring the long-term health of the planet. We're killing the forest. The Amazon rainforest is the world's largest tropical rainforest, covering an area of approximately 6.7 million square kilometers in South America. It's home to an estimated 10% of the world's biodiversity, including thousands of species of plants and animals that are found nowhere else on Earth. The Amazon also plays a critical role in regulating the Earth's climate, absorbing and storing vast amounts of carbon dioxide and producing oxygen through photosynthesis. However, the Amazon rainforest is currently facing unprecedented levels of destruction due to deforestation, mining, agriculture, and other forms of development. According to the World Wildlife Fund, an estimated 17% of the Amazon rainforest has been lost in the past 50 years, and the rate of deforestation is increasing every year. The destruction of the Amazon rainforest has a number of serious consequences for humanity and the Earth. One of the most immediate impacts is a loss of biodiversity. Many species of plants and animals that are only found in the Amazon rainforest are being driven to extinction due to habitat destruction, fragmentation, and other threats. The destruction of the Amazon also has significant implications for the global climate. The rainforest plays a critical role in regulating the Earth's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide and producing oxygen. The loss of the Amazon rainforest leads to an increase in greenhouse gas emissions, which contribute to climate change and its associated impacts, such as rising sea levels, more frequent and severe weather events, and loss of biodiversity. Moreover, the destruction of the Amazon rainforest also has significant social and economic impacts on local communities and indigenous peoples. The rainforest is home to millions of people, including many indigenous communities who have lived in the region for thousands of years. The destruction of the Amazon rainforest threatens their way of life, as well as their cultural heritage and traditional knowledge. The destruction of the Amazon rainforest is a complex and multifaceted issue with far-reaching consequences for humanity and the Earth. Protecting the Amazon rainforest and promoting sustainable development practices are essential for preserving the biodiversity of the region, mitigating the impacts of climate change, and ensuring the well-being of local communities and indigenous peoples. If you enjoyed learning about the amazing wonders of the Amazon rainforest, there are many more other mysteries to uncover. Click here to watch another captivating video.